Saturday morning, January 21st. It's been a while since we've been here, 2017. We're at the North Country Medical Center, Hudson, Headwaters, Health Network, Future Home, and we're standing on a slippery parking lot here, ice glazed on the over the dirt. But we did want to show that a lot has been done since our last visit. It's been enclosed for quite a while, and we're assuming that it's a lot better working conditions, although there's still a lot of exterior work to be done. I'm not sure how much of that needs to be done while they're working on the inside. Obviously there'll be a lot more done here to make this look a little more presentable. And they put the siding on there. Again, this is where we're located. And this is how it looks on the day after Inauguration Day, 2017, Saturday morning, about 9:15 in Champlain.